Good day to you traders, this MURREY of Forex are the way. In this video I begin the series about the indicators. I want to create a library of indicators on my webpage. So the first thing I'll do, I will tell you something about the indicators, the differences between them. Then I'll present you first 10 or 15 of indicators and that's it for today. And probably it will be the first part of the series of videos regarding different indicators. There are thousands of them on the market. So we just got the good base to start to go for it. So let's start the rock and roll. There are different types of trading indicators. The main similarity between technical analysis indicators is that all of them use 4 components of currency price in their calculation. I mean, there is an open, high, low, close, and volume. The 4 factors calculated. That's what compounds any indicator for technical analysis. So the small number of variables has produced hundreds or even thousands of trading indicators. Technical indicators fall mainly in 2 categories: leading indicators and lagging indicators. So what's the difference between them? The leading indicators are those who lead the price movement. They give a signal before a new trend or reversal occurs. From the other hand, lagging indicators are those who follow the price action. They give you a signal after the trend or reversal has started. Indicators for both categories belong to one of the following types: trend indicators, momentum indicators, volatility indicators, or volume indicators. So there's 4 categories of indicators. Obviously, apart of ready-made indicators, you can make your own indicator using just simple software. There's no coding knowledge needed, so you can try it on the page. You'll find the link below under this video, and you can get indicator like this one, for example, and it shows very good entry and exit points, and you can build whatever indicator you like. So if you want, it's enough to check in the link below. There's a free indicator builder. You just need to register over there. So click the link, go register, and build your own indicators. And look further this video to find out about the indicators built already by the others. So trend indicators are designed to show traders and investors the trend or direction of the pair that is trending at the moment. The trend of a pair can be either downwards, then we are talking about bearish trend when the bears take the market over, upwards, then we call it bullish trend, or sideways. No clear direction is defined in the sideways trend. So trend followers are an example of traders who use the indicators to analyze the market, which are those moving averages, MACD, average directional index called ADX, parabolic SAR, or linear regression are some of the examples of trend indicators. So what about momentum indicators? The momentum is a way to measure the speed at which the value of a security or currency pair is moving in a given period. That's the momentum. Momentum traders focus on stocks or assets or pairs that are moving significantly in one direction on high volume. Then we call it momentum. For that, we use momentum indicators such as RSI, stochastic, CCI, commodity channel index, or Williams percentage rate. As you can see, momentum indicators are essentially composed of oscillating indicators that are usually used to determine overbought and oversold areas. So remember, RSI, stochastic, CCI, or commodity channel index, these are momentum indicators. Let's go to another one. Volatility indicators. Volatility is so important in trading that you can find several indicators that measure it or use it to generate signals. The volatility is the relative rate at which the price of a currency pair moves up or down, wherever. A high volatility occurs when the price moves up or down quickly over a short period of time. If the price moves slowly, then we can consider there is a low volatility time or period. Some of the volatility indicators available for traders are such as Bollinger Bands, for example, envelopes, average true range called ATR, or eventually Volatility Channel Index. They are widely available. The volatility is usually measured using the standard deviation. It's a math formula or a formula of probability calculus. So that's what is used for calculating the volatility indicators. And last but not least, volume indicators. The volume is considered as a very important component in trading. It is, for example, used to confirm or infirm a continuation or change in a price direction. Many indicators are also based on volume. For example, the money flow index is an oscillator tied to volume that measures the buying and selling pressure using both price and volume. So remember, money flow index just combines price and volume. That's how this indicator is made. Other volume indicators are such as ease of movement indicator, check in money flow, on balance volume, demand index, and force index. These are volume indicators. The different types of indicators exposed above can be applied to any market. I mean it. Stocks, futures, Forex, option, ETFs, whatever you find over there. And can be applied on any period. For day traders, for swing traders, medium-term traders, and for scalpers, those indicators work for everyone. Many gurus recommend that you should include at least one indicator of each type in your trading system in order to confirm trades generated by your strategy. Although this looks as a good advice, I always recommend you backtest the implementation of any new idea or get an advice before you actually start to trading on live account. So whatever you find, trade first, guys, on demo account, and after that you check it out. If it works, just go live. And still my sponsor package, guys. This channel survives thanks to sponsors. I got over here Trend Analyzer. Is a tool which helps to determine which pair is trending the best. So it's just analyzing 34 currency pairs on all time frames. It shows you triangles, flags, wedges, trend lines, whatever. Very good one. Pretty cheap. Is $25. If you would like to consider to have a look, you'll find the link below this video. And now let's go to the indicators I want to show you. First package of indicators. So here we go. We start from absolute strength histogram. Very nice. I used to trade with this one. It's pretty good one. I used it. It just guarantees you at least one candle profit as far as I remember. It's it's a little bit late, but it's an oscillator. But anytime I just mark a couple of lines over here, whichever. Obviously, if you hit something like last waterfall on Euro USD, obviously you can make really good money. But what I realized, 1-2 candles on 4-hour charts, it works perfect with this indicator. If added another filter, is really good. All the indicators you'll find, you can download them from my webpage, from my web service. You'll find the link below under this video. The next one is Aaron ups and downs. It looks similar to average true range or something similar like that. Wherever the place where it crosses, when the line crosses, it shows that probably you should take the position. Same style like over there with the other one. It shows a little bit late, but you might realize the settings are are really simple. It's nothing complicated. I'll show you how the settings look like. You put different periods, and I got it as default is 14, but you can try the bigger periods or the smaller one. It really works. It's a good one. The next one is CCI Woody's LNX V6. That's the killer, guys. You can just check it, download it, and you'll see it. It is really, it's okay. This one is okay. So it seems, all of them seems with MACD, but it's, or CCI, but it is a commodity channel index or consecutive close index, whichever is that. You can check it out. The settings are really deep ones. You can set anything you want. All those settings you can modify. It's like in MACD. So that's the next one. The next one we've got Correlate. The Correlate. That's the killer. Correlate works, guys. It's really good. Correlate is an indicator. If you find nice trending pair, it works. Obviously, there's no indicator which will work in a ranging market, in consolidations areas or distribution or accumulations areas. There's no indicator which will work over there. Well, in any trending market, Correlate, I recommend you. As I said before, the link to my webpage, and you can download it straight out from there. The next one, Daily Open Line. I think it's simple. It shows you as it says, nothing special. Next one is a box, opening box, daily line boxes. So the box of opening, couple of hours. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First 1, 2, 3, 4 hours create a box, as you see here. So this is the opening. After the 4 hours, we are on 1 hour chart. It shows the box, and wherever price goes, there you go. It's like here is a rising market over here, but the same story, big box over here. Then the market went out with this big marabozu, whatever is that. Very useful. It works in a quiet markets. And I remind you, when the market is in a stable grow or stable fall, organic one, not made by speculators, but made on the basis of demand on the market and supply, it grows in small candles. Look here, they are all small candles. Obviously, they are Japanese or during the night, my European time. So it's Japanese market or when volatility is much slower. But it works. As soon as it starts rising, as you see, here is bigger demand, bigger, and we don't know what's going to happen here. So daily line box, very nice one. Next one, David's Pivot. We are on Brent crude. David's Pivot is something similar to Octave. I've shown you in one of my videos that the markets vibrate in octaves. So in 8 levels. This area, David Pivots, it's something similar to octaves. It gives you a pivots, resistance, support areas of monthly, weekly, and daily, whatever it is. And it gives you a good idea about what's going on the market and where are support and resistance levels. Next one is Doblecci Woody. Doblecci, how you call it? Doblecci, it's Italian, whatever it is. Doblecci Woody, another something like CCI indicator, a little bit more sophisticated. Pretty good signals. Try it, it works. Next one, Hawkey volume indicator. That's my preferable one. If I trade indicators, I use it every time because the volume is the most important part of the market of trading. Settings are pretty simple, nothing special. Length, number of bars, that's it. Colors, layers, whatever is that. So a very useful volume indicator, Hawkey. I love it. This slightly, like rainbow, but it's okay. It shows you whatever market is falling is red. When the market is rising, it's in green, those volume candles. And the white ones are in a neutral level of trading. Next one, Fibonacci for Fibonacci lovers, for Fibonacci level lovers. That's the killer. It looks like big mishmash on the screen, but if you know how to use it, if you know how to use these levels, those ellipses formatted over here, you might realize it's a really good tool. You got Fibonacci, you got gun angles, sound like gun angles divided by Fibonacci ratios, as well as the circles or ellipses made over here, which show the support and resistance areas. So Fibonacci is the tool I might recommend for the geometry, trading geometry lovers. The next one I've got today for you guys is Euric Strength. Euric Strength is a very simple indicator. It shows whenever the market grows or falls. Nothing complicated. Next one, MACD colored MTF NMC, whatever it means. Nice one. Works nice. Guys, I would recommend this one. This MACD is slightly modified. It looks different, but look, it's okay. On ranging market, as you see, nothing. But as soon as the market starts trending, you might know what's going on. You got lines like on MACD. Next one, moon phases. Moon phases, the special one. It doesn't seem over here that it means anything, but when there's new moon or full moon, something's going to happen. I'll show you quickly. Well, it's vertical line properties. Have to find the settings of this indicator. It's here. Let's edit it. So you just need to put the date over here. I started with January 1st of 2020. If I change it to 2019, it will probably show us the story, what was happening earlier. And you may realize not always. Sometimes it works. If it's a confluence with a resistance and support area, or confluence with other indicators, moon phase is an indicator especially for astrology trading lovers. Next one, we've got moon phases we had already. MURREY math. MURREY math is something special. That's what I told you, because the pivots was different story. MURREY math is about the octaves. Look, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one octave from 0 to 8. 8 levels. The market is vibrating between those levels. And you know how to apply the Tesla golden solution of 369 or 124875. So probably you have the Holy Grail. And the last one is everything. The last one is everything. You've seen it. I just put it for the page, for the starting page of this video. Guys, once again, all those indicators you'll get from my website. You'll find the link below. Thanks very much for watching. It will be next series with the indicators. So I hope to see you soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.